Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are showcasing a luxury diesel pusher built by Winnebago Industries that hits the absolute sweet spot for size, maneuvering, and upscale utility. This is the 2015 Itasca Meridian 36M. This motorhome has 43,000 original miles on the clock and measures in at a perfectly sized 37 feet long. That length makes it exceptionally easy to drive, maneuver, and park in national parks or tighter state campgrounds where 45-foot rigs simply can't go. Yet, because it features 3 large slide-outs, the entire interior expands to create a wide-open residential estate once you're set up. Take a look at the exterior presentation. This coach is coated in Itasca's stunning Harvest Night full-body paint graphics scheme. The rich blend of deep metallics, dark charcoals, and warm earth tones gives this coach a sleek, timeless look. Because it comes out of Winnebago's world-famous paint facility in Forest City, Iowa, it carries an automotive-grade depth and clear coat shine that looks incredible in the sun. There are no cheap vinyl stickers to crack or peel here. This is a true custom-painted finish built to stay beautiful for decades. For outdoor living, you are exceptionally well-equipped. You have a power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning that create a massive shaded space for your campsite. You also have protective slide toppers installed over all 3 slides to keep debris, leaves, and rainwater away from your mechanical slide seals. Now here is a massive value add from us at Porter's. This coach is riding on updated 2025 Michelin tires all the way around. You are hitting the highway on a fresh set of premium rubber, which is a major maintenance expense you can completely cross off your list. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the crisp, frameless windows. From the integrated side view cameras to the heavy-duty 10,000-pound trailer hitch with a full-width mud flap on the back, every inch of this Meridian indicates a coach that has been well-loved and meticulously maintained. We are going to finish up the exterior view so you can see the sleek lines before we open up the basement compartments to inspect the heavy-duty mechanical systems. Let's move down to the basement, because underneath this Meridian is a foundation built for serious travel. We are sitting on the heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum raised rail chassis. The Maxum chassis features Winnebago's lowered rail design, which creates a massive pass-through basement storage compartment with a mega pull-out storage tray included. This gives you unmatched storage capacity for a 37-foot coach, making it effortless to reach your heavy gear from either side. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISB XT 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you get the absolute best of full air brakes and full air ride suspension for that floating on a cloud feeling. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without missing the big game. For your utility systems, we have an Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 315 hours of use. This unit provides more than enough power to run your True Air dual unit AC system with heat pumps and all interior appliances simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp service with an extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, heated enclosed holding tanks for 4 seasons protection, and automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how this space translates to the interior cabin. Step up into the Meridian, and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 36M floor plan is highly celebrated because it manages to pack an incredible amount of living and bedroom space into a highly maneuverable 37-foot coach. You'll notice the high-quality cabinetry, the polished tile flooring, the detailed crown molding, and the high-end fixtures immediately. It features a completely open flow that connects the cooking galley and the main living lounge beautifully. It is a bright, airy, and incredibly welcoming environment that immediately makes you feel right at home, setting a perfect tone for the rest of our virtual tour. Let's walk right into the main lounge area. Right here in the main living space is your primary entertainment center. It features a large 40-inch TV equipped with a soundbar and an electric fireplace directly below. The fireplace adds a wonderful residential ambiance and serves as an excellent source of electric heat on cool mornings. Directly adjacent is your table dinette with chairs, positioned next to a large window for a scenic dining experience. Across from the fireplace is the primary living lounge, designed for grand-scale comfort. You have a jackknife sofa on one side, and on the other side is Winnebago's famous Rest Easy Power Reclinable Sleeper Sofa. At the touch of a button, this sofa smoothly transforms into a comfortable bed, ensuring this coach can comfortably sleep up to 6 people in total comfort. Looking forward into the cockpit, you'll notice an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the 2 front seats, so no one misses the action while the coach is in social mode. The captain's chairs swivel around completely to join the lounge, creating a spectacular grand salon. The full gourmet kitchen is an absolute chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and stainless steel appliances. You have a residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven for all your baking needs. Look right here. We have an extendable countertop section that pulls out from the cabinetry to give you an incredible amount of extra space when preparing a big meal, along with a dedicated pantry storage closet. It is a clean, bright, and highly functional galley. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and it is packed with flagship features. You have a massive king bed situated in its own dedicated slide-out, providing the absolute peak of sleeping comfort on the road. And check out this unique layout feature. You have a secondary sink and vanity located right here in the bedroom. This secondary vanity is a total game changer for couples getting ready in the morning. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, a residential ceiling fan overhead to keep a nice breeze moving, a huge wardrobe closet that spans the back wall, and an absolute abundance of built-in deep drawers for all your travel attire and gear. Because this room is separated from the front by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful sanctuary that ensures you get a great night's rest. For the long-term traveler, this coach comes fully equipped with a stackable washer and dryer system tucked neatly into its own dedicated closet. Having separate residential-sized machines instead of a combo unit is a massive luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. Moving into the private master bathroom, they did not skimp on the space here. The centerpiece is a large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight overhead. That skylight brings in a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. You have a solid vanity with a sink, plenty of medicine cabinet storage for your toiletries, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the air moving and the space fresh. Combined with that secondary sink and vanity out in the bedroom, this bath layout provides incredible flexibility, ensuring 2 people can prepare for the day simultaneously without ever bumping elbows. It's a clean, bright, and highly functional layout that provides all the comforts of home. As we move back through the hallway and into the main living room, you can really appreciate the natural residential flow and space management of this 36 million layout. Every transition feels wide, open, and inviting. Settling into the driver's seat, look at this close-up of the command center. Everything is intuitively laid out right at your fingertips, from your automatic hydraulic leveling touchpad and camera monitors to your Allison transmission controls. It makes driving this 37-foot diesel machine an absolute pleasure. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 8642-609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!